Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Welcome back to the vlog. Hey, I don't even think I've been telling you guys to like, subscribe, and comment, and like my posts, share my posts, none of that. But I'm pretty sure y'all know to do that anyway. But I just want to let you guys know again. Alright, y'all. So I'm actually just getting up today. It is 2 o'clock, okay? So I had to get up, shower, get myself together because I was up like really late last night. And I had a freaking headache out of this world. So I just laid in bed to like 12. And so yeah, I just wanted to come and you know what I'm saying, check in with you guys, let you guys know what's going on for today. So right now I'm actually about to make dinner. I was supposed to cook this taco soup yesterday, but it didn't happen, so we about to go ahead and cook it today. I really like this dish. Super easy, super quick, you know what I'm saying, and it tastes so good with all the different flavors when it just comes together, honey. And you can, you know what I'm saying, put your own little twist on this. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using for the taco soup. Like I said, this recipe is super quick, super easy. All you're doing is throwing stuff into the crock pot, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and can't wait to see how this turns out. I can just taste it already, you know. It's gonna be good. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys, so here are all of the ingredients that I am going to be using for this taco soup. Mine is the turkey, the ground turkey. Actually, let me just go ahead and get the ground turkey out of the refrigerator because it's a part of it. Okay, so oops, let me just go ahead and sit that there. But yeah, so these are all of the ingredients that I'm going to be using, along with some other seasonings I may throw into there. But we do have the onion powder, of course, and then this taco seasoning is a Taco Tuesday from Flavor God seasoning. They're like on Instagram, I mean online. If you want to try them, you can go online, of course. These are really good. I have so many of their seasonings, and a lot of them are like, you know, low salt, no salt, and you know, we don't need all of that salt or whatever, you feel me? So yeah, these are the ingredients. There's my lovely crock pot. I actually love this crock pot. It's not even like the name, like the, I can't even think what the other one is, crock pot whatever. But yeah, so this is what I'm going to be using. The recipe that I was looking at, it actually had beef broth, but I'm just going to be using vegetable broth because this is what I'm going to use. All right, so let's get started. Let's jump into this taco soup. Alright, so I just finished putting the taco soup into the crock pot, and I can't wait to eat because your girl is hungry. We'll be topping it off with some sour cream, some cheese, and some green onions. And I added some red onions inside. I don't think I showed that part because after the fact I thought about it and I was like, let me put some onions in here because I'm pretty sure it'll be good. So yeah, added some onions in there, and now I'm just sitting on the couch. I'm about to start editing. I'm working on that so that I can hopefully get a video up today. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. I'm like kind of like tired today. I don't know what is going on. I said I was gonna work out like tonight. I'ma see. I might go to the gym and just go in there. I got a lot of stuff just on my mental, and I just need a release. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and go to the gym later on tonight. So I ain't gonna even sit up here and, you know what I'm saying, try to say to that, you know, just we ain't gonna make it official. But if I be in that gym, y'all gonna be in there with me. All right? Okay. All right, you guys, so this is the finished taco soup. I'm about to like chow down, y'all. Got some avocado. I put some cheese, some green onions, and sour cream. And ooh, your girl is about to dive in.